Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today we had a FedEx truck come. That's right, you can order your groceries through Walmart and get them delivered to your house. This is my prep day, and so Danny said with everything going on, we don't want to go to town more than we need to, so let's do this Walmart brings it to the door thing. So the FedEx truck brought me my supplies that I didn't have to go into town and shop and risk getting the flu from people that are in town, because several people in town have the flu right now. So this is what I got. This is my stash, I guess you would say. I'm adding back cling wrap. It comes in handy for a lot of things, and I always try to keep it prepped up, keep some added. So I put one of these on the list. Okay, some of you are going to get on to me for not ordering just plain full, but these are the full sheets. I wrap potatoes and stuff in these things, and they get put over bowls, all kinds of stuff. They're already handy. You can just rip a sheet out, and you don't have to fiddle with this type box, pulling and stretching and cutting. I like these. So I ordered some of these. I do have the boxes of aluminum foil, but I ordered some sheets to add to it for ease and convenience, mainly on my side. When you order from Walmart, they stuff everything in a box and send it to you. There's no packing. Well, excuse me, there was little packing to it as far as to keep it safe. Look at this box. It got all bent up, but that's okay because it's just storage bags. And Danny and I keep a supply of storage bags on hand. These are the quart storage bags, and I got 80 of them at a good price. And shopping Walmart, you can shop for deals. And so some of the things I got a good deal on. But these 80 bags, I don't remember the prices, but 80 bags. This whole thing here, 100 bucks. Now, this was one of the deals I got. This is 75 quart bags. I only ordered one of them. They sent two. So go figure. Don't know why. But anyway, 75 quart bags. I thought it was a good deal. I got 150 quart bags instead of the 75 that I thought I was getting. 33-gallon garbage bags that we use in the kitchen. 90% of the time outside we use our feed bags as garbage bags, but in the kitchen I do like to have some sanitary stuff there so that it's not a feed bag in my kitchen, okay? So we do keep these on hand. If we run out, there won't be feed bags, there won't be these, and there won't be garbage because we won't be opening things like we do now. The pre-cut parchment paper. Again, convenience. I won't be making cookies a lot if things go crazy, but for now, while I'm making cookies, this is one thing I'm doing is the pre-packaged, because I have such a time with my hands now with these things opening and pulling things out. I store the parchment, the Reynolds wrap, and this, but for now, while I can still afford it, the sheets are so much easier for me right now. I mentioned in another video having powdered stuff on hand. Mexican chocolate. That's one of the things that I ordered that I can stash. And if we need something to drink, I can just heat up water, and this is instant. The other thing is a French vanilla cappuccino. These are my if I have to thing, because I love the taste of French vanilla. This gives me something, and the date is December 2021. And with the Mexican chocolate was 2022. So these store a long time. And so that's what I'm looking for, is something that stores in a long period of time that takes up very little space, and water can be used to add to it. The back, oatmeal. Danny and I eat a lot of the old-fashioned oats. And this is another thing that got kind of bumbled up in the mix. This one's okay, but the other one got mashed and the top came up a little bit. So I'm going to be vacuum sealing my oatmeal. That's what we usually do, is put oxygen absorbers in the jar and put our oatmeal in there and vacuum seal it for long-term storage. We have kept this up to 3 years, and we rotate out. You can never go wrong keeping some coffee if you're a coffee drinker. I always buy coffee when I do any kind of prep work. I buy up some coffee. This is my preferred coffee of choice, I guess you would say. I like lots of coffees. I will drink all kinds of coffees. I had a subscriber send me some Southern roasted pecan, and that was delicious. I had somebody send me a cinnamon one, and then I've got a couple of other flavors I haven't even gotten to yet. Now, the flavored coffees are awesome, but generic Maxwell House, kind of partial to Maxwell House anyway. Like I said, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. It's always good to have peanut butter on hand. That way you can take it, 1 spoon, gives you a quick fix. And I like peanut butter anyway, so peanut butter. Danny and I sometimes just want a chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding, whatever. So I got 4 of these. No, I got 8. Actually 8 boxes of pudding to add to my stash. And all you gotta do is add milk. And we'll get to the milk in a minute. Hygiene things. I'm always trying to add razors. Wipes, you never know. This saves on water to have some wipes handy as long as they last. The Equate brand for babies. These are the hypoallergenic, fragrance free. So I keep these on hand. You never know. It saves on water and everything. In a situation where you don't have water, these would come in handy, really handy. Soap. I always buy up a little bit of soap. You never know. You're always going to be washing hands and stuff. And this can be used to wash your hair or whatever. I mean, you can do that with bar soap. I bought Jergens soap, bar soap, because it's mild. Plus, you can use it on your hands, your face, your body. You can wash your hair in it, whatever. And there's 8 bars here. It was a good deal. And it keeps me, so 8 bars would probably last me and Danny well over a year, year and a half. So I won't need any more soap with all the homemade soaps that I have. Danny and I are good with soap for a long, long time. The best deal I got was on Almond Breeze almond milk. Danny and I do not use regular milk from the store. So I have been using almond milk for a long, long time, 2 or 3 years. And when I went online, they had a sale going, and I got 24 of these. These are 32 ounce. It's 1 quart. And I think I paid $7 for them, and I usually pay $2 for this. I got 24 of them for this price. The kicker is the date is only 6 months. So I have 24 to use within 6 months, which is not a bad deal. And it was a really good price. I can use this in almost anything around. Like I said, with the puddings, this is what I use. I have it, it's shelf stable. I don't have to have a storage for milk. This comes in handy. You can get it in all kinds of regular milk. You can get it in slim milk, the whole 9 yards. But we prefer the almond milk. And this was just too good a deal to pass. 24 of them for 7 something, under $8, 24 quarts of milk. So guys, this is my $100 prep for the month. These are the items that I prepped. Danny and I have kind of set up where every month we're going to be prepping at around $100 worth of stuff and replacing, because the oatmeal we'll be eating, the bags we'll be using, the aluminum foil and stuff we're using, I'm replacing what I used last month. So it's rotate out, rotate out. So $100 prep items for the month, and the FedEx truck brings it to your door. You can shop Walmart, you can shop Amazon, and you don't have to go out. Do it while you can. And the beauty of it is you don't have to go out. It comes to your door. If you want any kind of cold items, Walmart has a pickup in most cities now. So you can call in, tell them what you want, and you can drive through, pick it up, and you do not have to get out and go in and see people and get exposed to viruses that are on buggies or people sneezing on you, things like that. Start using these items, the Walmart pickup, the Walmart delivery. If you live in an area, it's well worth it. This did not cost me anything to get it shipped to my house. It was free. Anything over $35 is free shipping. The Walmart pickup doesn't cost you a dime. You call in, you go pick it up. It is an awesome way to beat the flu this time of year. So I hope you got something out of my prep haul for the month, my stash that came from Walmart to my door. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.